Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick but super useful tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show rulers in Figma. If you're someone who loves precise designs or you want to make sure everything lines up perfectly in your mockups, knowing how to turn rulers on is an absolute game changer. By the end of this video, you'll not only know exactly how to reveal rulers in Figma, but you'll also understand why they're helpful and how they can make your design process much smoother. All right, let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up Figma. You can use either the desktop app or Figma in your browser. It works the same way in both. If you're already working on a project, just open that. If not, a blank file works perfectly for following along. Now let's turn rulers on. Head up to the top left corner of Figma and click on the File menu. This opens a drop-down with all your main options. From there, hover over View. In the View menu, look for Rulers and click it. As soon as you do, you'll see horizontal and vertical rulers appear around your canvas. So why use rulers in the first place? Rulers give you a clear way to measure spacing, alignment, and positioning directly on your design. Think of them like a measuring tape for your canvas, without the hassle of manually guessing distances. They're especially useful for UI and web designers who need everything aligned perfectly, or when you're handing off work to developers and want pixel-perfect precision. If you like shortcuts, there's an even faster way. Just press Shift-R on your keyboard. That's it. This instantly toggles rulers on and off, which is super helpful when you want to quickly check spacing and then go back to a clean canvas. And honestly, that's all there is to it. Rulers are now ready whenever you need them. And you can hide them just as easily by using the same shortcut or repeating the menu steps. To quickly recap, go to File, then View, then click Rulers, or simply press Shift-R. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference in keeping your designs clean, structured, and professional. If you found this helpful, give it a like and drop a comment if there's anything else you'd like to learn in Figma. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!